Hey, babe. I've been, I've been waiting to see you all day. What? Oh, no. I'm fine. It's just a little cold out, I guess. Now come here, will ya? I've missed you. No, I'm... Thanks. It smells funny in here. Wait, is that... Is that... Is that perfume again? Oh, honey. You know I'm allergic to that. Oh, I got you. You kind of like that I'm allergic to it, don't you? That was big. You like to see me. You like to see me when I'm out of control like that. Oh. Oh no. You're not going anywhere. That's right. I want you to come closer. Close. Closer. Here, let me sniff it some more. because I know you like it. Look, come here. Yeah, that's right. Right under your neck. You knew exactly what you were getting into when you wore that perfume. Oh. Oh God, that stuff is driving me crazy. I know you know. Why are you torturing me like this? Wait, don't answer that. Just get over here. Maybe we should skip dinner and go right to bed.